got here's cup holder, late model restoration, 1987, 1993 foxbody Mustangs. We'll be replacing the original ashtray with the lighter to a cup holder in a matter of minutes. So the first thing you want to remove is the gearbox. After that, you will take 2 screws out from here. Also, make sure you come to the back. You will be removing 2 screws from here. And simple, make sure the e-brake's all the way up. You will have to unplug the lighter. Make sure you put that with the e-brake all the way up first before going all the way in. Make sure you connect all the clips. Make sure you screw it on. 2 screws right here. After everything tightened up, simple, so 1, 2, 3. Put everything back where it goes. Hook it up. That's it. Late model restoration, did an animation creation for the 87-93 Foxy. Now we got a cup holder.